For today, we are going to do a review and unboxing of this Yamaha EZ-300. I bought this online. Ta-da! Make sure to plug it. Okay, what's inside? First, we have the manual and also this part where you put the notes or your book or something. What else? And the moment of truth. The Yamaha EZ-300. It's white in color. Ooh, it's 8 kilograms. It already has an AC adapter, and you can also use AA batteries. Okay, so this is it. Oh, here's our power adapter. All right. Good. Okay, so this is it. This is my birthday gift to myself. You know, music will make you feel stress-free, and also it will also make you, enjoy your life while you are traveling and overseas. Okay, so it's white in color and it got 622 voices and also 205 styles. There's also super articulation LTE or light. Well, like the light, yeah. LED, sorry. And well, there's record and also USB to hose. Here it is. So I can connect this into my computer, or I can use the headphones jack, connect it into an amplifier. And there's the sustain. It's not as heavy as I thought it is. It is 8 kilograms, but it's good. Okay, I'll set it up. Okay, now that we're going to plug it in, and wow, look at that. I have to remove this. I want you to see this again. So turn it off, and let's turn it on. Ooh. So, like, there's lights when you press the keys. Okay. Ding, ding. Okay. Let's see how loud it is. I'm going to put it on the mid. Wow. Look at that. The softer you touch the key, and then the harder it is. Okay. Wow. Okay, I haven't played for more than 4 years, so let's see if I can still play. Okay. Okay, so I haven't played for more than 3 years, and I don't know if I can still play. Let's just try. I knew it. Take 3. Knew it again. Take 4. Take 5. Okay. Take 6. Take 7. Okay, again. I remember the day when you're here with me. Okay, yun lang muna. Okay, that's it. Okay, so it's actually very nice. The sound is good, and I don't need to put it on high volume. It was actually on the mid. And let's see if we can play some of the demos. The demo one, so you have to follow this. So it's very very nice because you can just follow the. So the good thing here is that you have the demos, there's lesson and things, and you can also play it and then follow it with your fingers through the lights, of course. And you can change the tempo to lower so you can still familiarize with the notes and things and how to play it. And also, yes, there are some demo songs here like The Hero, USA, RPG, Forever Love, Bohemian Rhapsody, and a lot of things. There's also anime songs, and it's actually very good. You can just follow the lights and you can practice and remember how the song is being played. Until you remember it, this is a very good entry level for, especially for those who wants to learn how to play the keyboard, and also those who have been playing keyboard for a long time but didn't play for several years because they were too busy in their work or their school or something. So this is a very good entry level from Yamaha. So this is the Yamaha EZ-300. Don't take my word for it. Try and buy it. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored by Yamaha. Hopefully you can sponsor once again. And the reason why I choose the white because there's no other color of the EZ-300. There's only white. But I always had the black one, and it feels refreshing to have a white keyboard. So, and if you are playing the keyboard while doing a live streaming, I recommend to buy this laptop stand so that you can just put it here, just like this, and put your laptop on top, just like this. But if you have a very large laptop, yeah, it's a little bit troublesome. So try to put it on the side, unless you are already very familiar. So do your live streaming here. You can play here, you can save here, and your camera is on there. So it's perfect. Perfect setup for a live streaming. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you haven't, again, please subscribe and watch and wait for the latest update. Okay, see ya. See ya.